Hey Carlos.
Hi.
Yeah, how are you?
Good. How are you?
Yeah, pleasure to meet you here
Likewise.
at the Blockshow Taipei Meetup.
Yeah.
So, before we start with the questions, can you please tell me and our audience what are you doing for a living and why you're here?
Absolutely. Well, I run a venture studio. It's called Nogle. Basically, our business is to build businesses. We build companies, either from an idea that is brought to us, and then we build the teams around it, business plan, provide the funding, and incubate and accelerate that. And also an existing company, we can take it and use our network of connections to actually increase the market, bring it to another market, and increase the customer base or improve the product as well. So last year we decided to pivot. We've been doing mostly fintech companies up to now, but last year we decided to start doing blockchain and cryptocurrency companies. And we've been involved in cryptocurrency for about a year and a half. But last year we decided to launch our first cryptocurrency related venture, which is called Insignia. And basically it's crypto mining, mining management, and also trading coin to coin, coin to fiat. So that's been running quite successfully since September, August, September.
Taiwan?
In Taiwan, but it's a global company, so we actually take business from all over the world. And also since then we've also launched recently ICO, the writing business. We provide end-to-end services as well, anywhere from analyzing white papers and giving advice on the white papers, programming the smart contracts, doing the marketing, and also securing the funding for a private sale or a pre-sale as well. So that's why we're here, because that's what we do.
And what are the use cases? So have you already managed to bring different projects to success, or just tell what you've been doing for this time and what are the use cases of what you have done already?
Sure, we have actually gotten an influx of clients that either they already have an existing ICO that is running in the US or is planned to run in the US, and they're looking to expand their marketing to Asia, or they have an ICO that's likewise in Europe and they're planning to expand the marketing to Asia, or they are the private sales stage and they're looking for private investors that are looking to invest. Also, we've gotten companies that are existing businesses that are looking to tokenize the business and trying to figure out a blockchain angle to it. So we have our blockchain professionals that look at it, and then they try to determine whether it's possible to decentralize something in their processes that is currently centralized. Aside from that, it's just your normal marketing that we've helped a few companies conceptualize the whole ICO process, from drafting the white paper all the way to the marketing and launch of the ICO.
Thank you so much.
Absolutely.
So, our slogan is best place for blockchain business. How do you understand this slogan?
Well, I guess that if you market it as a one-stop shop where people can interact with other people that are in the business and make connections and improve all the hard work that everybody has been putting together for blockchain and for cryptocurrencies, I think that's the value of it. Currently there's a lot of barriers and a lot of it's all over the place. So the more that we can come together and really learn from each other and cooperate with each other, I think that the industry is going to move faster.
Is Taiwan a good place for blockchain business?
Well, Taiwan has actually proved itself to be very good business to incubate companies, normal companies. And there's very good talent here, young talent, very good developers here. And I think it's only a matter of time until more blockchain related companies come here to access the talent and access the connections that Taiwan has in Southeast Asia. Some people even call Taiwan the Silicon Valley of Asia. I would even dare to say that now it's being positioned as a very strong contender to be the blockchain capital of Asia.
That's one of the goals now. Okay, and regarding Taiwan, continuing this topic, what is the best about the Taiwan blockchain ecosystem? What do you think for now?
There's a lot of small groups that have been working in the startup community, and there's also quite an openness by the government to support blockchain businesses. So you have a right combination of talent, the government, investors, and also startups that is coming together here, and so that's why ourselves, even when we are planning our events and we're planning our marketing as well, we're putting a lot of emphasis in Taiwan, not only because we're based here, but also because we believe that this is where everything is coming together. In other countries like Hong Kong, Singapore, you don't see that kind of coming together. It's starting to happen, but I think Taiwan has the edge over that.
Thanks. And one of the last questions: Have you been to Blockshow before?
No, this is actually my first time. I've been to a few other blockchain events, but this is my first time here.
Have you heard about Blockshow Asia, which was in Singapore?
Yes, I heard. I just couldn't arrive at the time in Singapore.
I got it. So, and the last question: What do you like most about today's meetup in Taipei?
Well, I like that the different kind of people that have decided to come together. Like, for example, you got ourselves, which are venture building companies, together with Jeff, that is really representing a recently launched ICO and can actually speak about all the different problems and advantages of actually launching an ICO, being a Taiwan-based company. And then you have people like yourself that are bringing another perspective as to how we can improve Taiwan and Taipei as a hub for blockchain. So I think it's a good coming together of everyone.
Thank you.
Absolutely.
Thank you so much for your time.
Great.
Yeah.
Thank you.